channel. So today we are gonna unbox this iPhone,
which we got together.
Yes,
Just for unboxing.
then it would be taking from us, right? Actually, we'll get to keep it, but we will not get to use it very much, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open it. Okay, wait. You open the down one, I open the up one, okay?
Wait.
No, okay, first you open the down one.
Okay.
Background music. It's hard. Okay. We have opened this. And okay,
You and I want to hold it.
I love this. Open it. Let's open it
The
together. Let's open it together.
Wait. Then.
Okay, let's open. 3, 2. Okay, this is the first time we're
Side. I also want
Wait,
to
I want to see the hello one, Like when you open your harpoon, it comes in cursive writing hello.
Yes.
I want to see
and
that.
in other languages also.
But it depends on in which country you are. So how do we open this? After charging.
1 minute. Can I hold it?
Wait. It's opening. You get
Apple. Do you want to eat one? I would like to.
I won't like to. But I would like to get a Apple iPhone.
Why is it called an iPhone? Any idea?
I love this part. In the other languages now.
It will also be what's hello in Spanish?
Hola. Namaste bhi aaya.
Hola and hello. German
Hello.
and Spanish.
Whatever. Okay, this is Chinese or Japanese? No,
This is Korean.
Korean, okay. Wait,
It said hola. Namaste.
because we are in India. Namaste. Hello, वापस कह रहा है. Hello. Bonjour. Hello, German.
Huh? Napubem.
It's hello only, but in a hola. My language.
Not our
Switch it off.
language.
Okay, namaste again.
Once again, now the
I'm gonna
charger.
choose English, bro. English because, yeah, India. Okay.
So wait. I'm opening this.
Okay, don't open that.
This is the charger. No need to open it right now.
Yeah, we'll open it later. So bye, guys. I hope you guys and I will setting listen.